Hello. So hope you all are fine. I'm Priyanka here with another project BCD to 7 segment decoder on a new platform called Proteus. So I'm here to tell you about BCD to 7 segment decoder. So what it is? Basically, a 7 segment display is an electronic device for displaying decimal numerals. 7 segment displays are widely used in digital clocks, electronic meters, and other electronic devices that display numerical information. So, this is a systematic circuit diagram for this BCD to 7 segment decoder. Okay, let me explain you this circuit. This is button and this is logic toggle 1 or 0, and this is 4511 decoder, and this is 7 segment display. And here what you see is digital clock. As all know what digital clock is, so this is all about circuit. Let me show you how it works. Let's go. So as all knows that a BCD to 7 segment decoder is a combinational logic circuit that accepts a decimal digit in BCD and generates appropriate output for the segment to display the input decimal digit. Okay, now let's go for working. So this is circuit which I made on Proteus. As you see, uh, you can also go through a beginner's video that is uploaded here. Okay, so how it works? When I stimulate it, okay, now it is stimulating. So here you see this point. If I do this, then this is 0, and if I do this, then this is 1. Okay, now let me show how it works. Okay, I will also show you truth table for this. Let me show here. Number is displaying 0 to 9. Okay, so if if all is 0, that is if this button is not connected, then you see here it display 0 here. Okay, if this is A, B, C, D. Okay, if A is high, if A is high, then this will display here 1. Okay, if B is high only, then it will display 2. Okay, if B and A both will be high, then it will display 3. If C will be high and A and B will be low, then it will display 4. If A and C will be high, then it will display 5. If B and C will be high, then it will display 6. If A, B, C are high, then it will display 7. And if D will be high, then it will display 8. And if A and D will be high, then it will display 9. So I'm showing here all the display numbers, how it will be displayed. So this is the display process. Okay, this is a digital clock which I used here. Okay, so this is all about how this BCD to 7 segment decoder works. Okay, let me show you truth table for this. Here is the truth table as I told before. Okay, so this is the state for this value up to 9, and if you will do this, if D and B will be high, then you see blank. That means nothing will be shown here. For example, let me show you. If we again stimulate it, then if so, as you see here, when B and D will be high, then it will be blank. So similarly, this will be follow for all. Okay, so this is all about working of BCD to 7 segment decoder. As I that said before that it is used digital clocks, many other applications. So hope you will understand properly. Thank you.